Welcome to another episode of Off Point Cooking. I'm Marlon White, and everybody that knows me knows that I'm on a ketogenic diet, so I'm always looking for new ways to mix things up. So today we're going to be making keto microwavable cookies using these following ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need butter, baking powder, artificial sweetener, almond flour, vanilla extract, sugar-free chocolate chips, and double cream. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a microwavable bowl, then place in the microwave for approximately 1 minute until completely melted. Now add 1/3 of a cup of artificial sweetener to the bowl, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1 drop of vanilla extract, then half a cup of almond flour, then 1 tablespoon of double cream. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate chips. Now use a spoon and mix together very well. Now we're going to use our hands and knead the dough together. We're now going to form 1 large cookie or 2 regular sized cookies. We're now going to top our cookie with a handful of chocolate chips. We're now going to place in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, checking every 25 seconds until done. After remove from the microwave, allow your cookie to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cookie is now ready to serve. This has been another episode of Off Point Cooking, and I hope you enjoyed. Before you get out of here, please check out my new website. I'll be posting my new recipes to it regularly. The link will be in the description below. Please like the current video, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel.